Presenting the 2002 Porsche Boxster S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include AC, power locks, power windows, power driver seat, dual power seats, climate control, tilt, leather steering WHL, power steering and anti-lock brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.